Wow, wow, wow. This is stunning. Well, today is a fun day in the van. It's hailing on us reasonably hard. It's maybe the fourth shower of hail this morning. It's kind of, yeah, it's a little bit dramatic around here. It just keeps on coming. It just stops suddenly and then it gets replaced with rain. It's just on and off, crazy weather. So I think we're gonna spend the whole day in the van because it's about 10 degrees outside anyway. And it's pretty cozy in here. Look at this amazing rainbow. Wow. Open the door just so I can see it properly. Oh, it's really intense. Super strong colors. Way stronger than it looks on the screen. The weather is just insane. On one side we have sun, even a rainbow up there, with good wind, the van is shaking around, rain, can't see it through the window, but Pete just went to the loo and he didn't want to take my advice of taking the umbrella with him, so someone's gonna get wet. Look at these eyes. Look at these big eyes. He's so cute. We're venturing out, but it's looking a little bit dodgy over there.
As you can see, I'm all rugged up because it is very wet.
Good morning. I'm off to see the circular pool today. I can already hear water, so it's not far at all. I'm excited. Well, look at that foam. Somebody dropped their washing powder in there or what? So apparently the froth and bubbles are a result of saponin in the river, and saponin comes from plants as they break down in the water. So this is why it's all foamy.